Alright friends, this is a Ford F350. It's got a diesel engine, I think 7.3 liter engine, and we're gonna be replacing the wheel bearing on this one. So the wheel bearing is this assembly here. It comes like this. It's a whole hub assembly, hub bearing assembly. So let's just start, okay? All right, now that we got all 8 lug nuts out, we're gonna go ahead and take the wheel out. Make sure you got the car standing on jack stands, and because it's a really heavy truck, okay? So you need like a heavy duty stand jacks. Okay, so we're gonna take the caliper apart. It's two 17mm bolts, one here. Take the caliper apart. Make sure you hang your caliper onto a bungee cord so it's not hanging by the brake line. And then we're gonna take the caliper bracket, which is this one, which is gonna be two 21mm bolts, one here, one down here, and put it aside. Caliper bracket out, like I told you, it's two 21mm. The harness for the speed sensor is gonna have an 8mm bolt holding it down. It's gonna be right here. And then here it's just got a little tab here. You gotta push it and then pull it apart. Okay. Now we're gonna take the 4-wheel drive locking actuator or mechanism apart. Okay, I'm using a 9/64. I'm just gonna loosen them right here. Just kind of pull it straight backwards. Okay. Retainer here that we're gonna take apart. See? You just gotta kind of pry it in the very tip, and then it just comes apart like this. There you have it. Now you're gonna have a Phillips screw that holds the mechanism in place. So you wanna take that Phillips screw out. See? Like this. Alright, here it comes. Okay. Alright, there it comes, see? Retainer. Alright, now we get the bolts from the back. It's gonna be 4 nuts that hold the whole wheel bearing in place, the hub bearing assembly in place. It's gonna be 4 nuts that hold it in place. So I already loosened them. I'm just gonna go ahead and take them apart. So at this point we got everything apart. We got all the 4-wheel drive mechanism out. We got the ABS harness disconnected, and we got the 4 bolts in the back, the 4 nuts out. So now we're gonna go ahead and tap it with the sledgehammer and see what it does. There you go. And there you have it, friends. All right, now that we have it ready to go in, make sure we are also replacing the backing plate right here. Make sure you know which direction it goes, like this. See? And this is the upper part, so this will be like this. And then your harness is gonna go like this. back. This right here. This. See? And then you just slide it back in. There you go. Okay. All right, friends, now we got everything back together. We just need to run the harness, you see, on these clips right here. Just like this. This one will go in the chassis, like this. Actually, like this. Then this one. All right, friends, there you have it, all back together. All what is left is just, you know, put the brake rotor, the brake caliper, the brake pads, put your wheel back on, and you're ready to go. There you have it. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please give us some likes and subscribe to the channel. And that's it. See you next time.